guess if you are, let's see, if you're referring to the managed AV, so if I go in here and say my my managed AV, if it blew up or had an error or something, didn't have permission to install when I wanted, when I originally installed it, the easiest thing to do is to go in and edit that machine. And honestly, just turn off AV, let it check in, do its thing. It will go. This will trigger an uninstall process. And if the AV is broken during install, you'll probably get an error that it wasn't able to uninstall because the pieces weren't there. And then again, once it's had a chance to check in and run that installer, give it, you know, however long you have your daily safety checks running, just let it do 2 cycles of that to be sure, and then go in and turn it back on. At that point, if it's still not installing, if it still comes up as, you know, failed or pending or what have you, then put in a support ticket and try to think if they have a specific script for reinstalling that. If not, I probably do. So if you have, if you have, you know, one machine that's doing that, you know, like I said, basically turn it off and back on again. And if that still doesn't work, open a support ticket. If it's happening a lot, if it's happening like on, you know, all of this customer's machines, that's another place where I would recommend getting, you know, collecting the log files and see what the error is that it's having. If it's something like, oh, this, you know, it doesn't have permission to XYZ, then you need to grant it permissions beforehand. Or the software is not compatible with whatever, you know, some other third-party EDR or something like that. That's where we need to do some more investigation. If it's just a one-off situation, it could be anything. It could be, you know, the download took too long or something timed out or whatever. Basically, the easiest way to do it is turn it off and back on again.